Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to upload JSON file in N8N. Let's dive in. First, open up your N8N dashboard. From the sidebar, click on Overview, then hit Create Workflow to start fresh. You'll see a blank canvas. This is where you'll paste your JSON. Now copy your JSON code from your file you've already created. Make sure the code is valid, no errors, proper syntax. Click anywhere on the blank workflow area, then press Ctrl and V. Your entire JSON structure will be instantly imported and appear as nodes inside N8N. If your JSON includes credentials or API keys, don't forget to update those to match your environment. Just click the relevant nodes and enter your own keys or tokens. And that's it. You've just uploaded a JSON file into N8N and turned it into a working workflow in seconds. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.